This is why proper troubleshooting matters. I was checking this motherboard and I found these MOSFETs completely shorted. I will show you how to detect a bad MOSFET or a shorted MOSFET using my multimeter. Now, before I do that, I want to briefly explain something here. Now, this MOSFET has only 3 legs. Although, if you are looking at these MOSFETs, it looks as if it has 4 legs at the back here. It has 4 legs at the front here. But in the real technical sense, this MOSFET has only 3 legs. These 4 legs at the backs that are connected together is the drain. Then these 3 legs here that are connected together is the source, while this single leg here is the gate. Now, when a positive voltage moves in here, it allows current to flow, or it allows voltage to pass from the drain to the source. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you are going to test any of these MOSFETs, or if you are going to use a multimeter to test MOSFETs on the computer system, all you need to test is the gates and the source, or you test the drain and the source. This is our multimeter, and you set our multimeter to the continuity mode. Remember, I told you if we are testing components, mostly like SMD capacitors, coils, or MOSFETs, you will need to set your multimeter on the continuity mode. Now you turn on your multimeter. Your multimeter is turned on continuity mode. Continuity mode simply means when you bring these 2 probe wires together, it shows that these 2 probe wires are connected, which it goes like this. So here is what you will do when you want to test the MOSFET. This is the source of these MOSFETs, this point, these 3 legs. 1, 2, 3 is the source. If you want to know the source of MOSFETs, always identify it with that dot on the top of the chip. This is a black dot. Then you count 1, 2, 3. The 3rd leg, that is the source. Then you count 1, 2, 3. That is the 3 leg here is the source. The 4 legs at the back is the drain. The 4 legs at the back is the drain. Then the one at the extreme is the gate. The one at the extreme here is the gate. So it's as very simple as that. There are other ways you can also know how to differentiate between the drain, the source, and the gates of these legs. So make sure you subscribe and learn more. This is now how to test it. Bring your probe wire to the drain and to the source. Let's do it again. This is the drain. You can put it at the 1 leg of the drain and 1 leg of the source. Can you see that this MOSFET is shorted? And let's try this one. We put at the drain and the source. We put at the source and at the drain. Can you see that we have around 700 ohms? Now let's change the probe wire again and test. This is the drain and this is the source. It's shorted. We have the source and we have the drain here. You see the resistance is not going to read. This is a reverse. So if you turn it this way again, you will get the resistance value of this MOSFET, which we have 700 ohms. Why? No matter how you turn this one, there'll still be a beeping sign, which is telling you that this MOSFET is bad, and that is just for it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it. I will attend to you. See you guys on more repair tips and more knowledge about computer systems, both hardware and softwares. This is ICT Doctor.